On today's video, we're going to show you the new wheels and the new exhaust. So let's roll.
So I picked up some wheels today. I think they're pretty cool looking. I got a pretty good deal on them, I think. So, I mean, you can tell me if you think I got a good deal. I'll tell you how much I paid for them. Anyway, I had to stop by O'Reilly's on the way back home from running some errands. I had to pick up some lug nuts. So I picked up some black spline drive lug nuts. And I'm hoping the socket that's in these things actually fits the wheel locks that are on that car, because I don't have a socket for them. So if they fit, that would be awesome. Because if not, I'm gonna have to find a way to get that one lug nut off. You'll see why I got black lug nuts here in just a minute. But I'm gonna show you those right now. This is gonna be your front wheels. Here's one of your front wheels right here.
Yes.
Here's the other front wheel. These are 18 by 9, and then here's one of the back wheels, which are 18 by 10.5. And then on the other side over here, we have another 18 by 10.5 or 18 by 10. I can't remember if it's 10 or 10.5. Yep, that's not gonna fit. Well, crap. All right, so this doesn't fit, which I wasn't sure if it was or not. So I'm gonna have to find out another way to get that one lug nut off. Got some pretty good news. I just found the wheel lock underneath the driver's seat. I'm gonna try this out real quick. Let's see. Let's get over here on this side where I was. You can see I had a bunch of sockets out. I was ready to give it a go, but all right, so I ordered the exhaust yesterday, and it literally came in today. That's pretty awesome. Came from Pasadena, Houston, Texas. So, or Houston, Texas. I don't know. It's in Pasadena, Houston. Anyway, so I've already got it here, and I'm going to unbox it, and we're gonna see what this exhaust looks like. I got it off eBay. DNA Motoring. Got really good reviews. I don't know. We're going to unbox it and see what we got. Polish to it. It's gonna be under the car, you really won't see it, but it's not bad at all. It's pretty cool. You know, it's got nice welds in it. I mean, this is really not a bad kit at all for the price. But yeah, look at that. We'll get this exhaust put on, and then we'll take a video of it running with the exhaust. Yeah, I'm pretty impressed with this so far. I mean, as far as workmanship goes, DNA Motoring. Got it on eBay, $220 free shipping. So if you're looking for a budget exhaust for your 99 to 04 Mustang GT, look into this.
Okay, so this morning I'm going to focus on finishing this exhaust. I'm going to show you, I got one of the mufflers off and a tailpipe, and I'm going to show you what it looks like. Look at that. Man, that thing is in terrible condition. That's why we're changing it all out. So, I've got to focus on that. I'm not really going to set the camera up to do any time lapse on this because you can't really see anything I'm doing underneath the car. So, I'll do a before and after what the exhaust looks like. I'm going to get to work and I'll show you the end result of the exhaust. All right, everyone, I got the exhaust on. There was tons of rust all over the bolts. So I had to do a bunch of cutting and grinding and everything.
finally it's on. I've got a busted hanger, but I rigged it up with some zip ties. We're going to start the car and see what this exhaust sounds like. Hopefully there's not an exhaust leak. If there is, I'm not going to worry about it today. I'll worry about it later. But anyway, let's start it up and see what happens. Yeah! Sounds pretty good. Come on, let's go to the back and check it out. Nice chrome tips, polished tips, whatever you want to call it. So, I'm going to give it a rev while she's holding the camera so you can listen to hear what it sounds like. That's going to be a wrap for today's video. Stay tuned because we still have plenty more planned for this car. The goal is to have this car ready for Texas Mustang Invasion in October. So if you enjoyed today's video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. And also, please follow us on Instagram. We're going to leave the link down below. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.